I think kaya ko na magkaiba tayong interest. We may not like parties or we may not like the same kind of people. We may not like the same kind of movies and hobbies and stuff. Pero if I look at you and I say, hindi mo buting tao tong gagong to.
There's
So,
only
yeah.
Yeah, way.
Kahit pa paano, may mga hardline ka
Yeah.
na parang ito yung basic level na ito. Kahit pa paano, itong taong to, he's a good person.
Yeah.
Kasi in the good that, kasi magkakaiba yung idea natin ng good. Remember, meron something. Maybe sa mga nanonood sa atin, maybe your idea of good is a God-fearing man.
Yes.
Does these things, blah, 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 blah. Maybe for another person na hindi mo lulukoy ng kapwa-tao.
I would need to
You will help whenever you have the capacity to help.
That's true.
Yung mga ganun bagay.
Yes, exactly.
Kasi kung wala yung basic na yun, I don't think.
Yeah. But at least nakita mo yun.
Oh, nakita ka naman sa
That's why I decided to
It's a decent,
Never go for a